right, beer nerds. Now we're having a party. Either with a bunch of friends or all by yourself in the basement. It's very comforting to know you have 50 liters of beer on hand. With this kit, we move out of mini kegs and into commercial-style Sanke kegs. You know, the ones you can get direct from your favorite craft brewery in either 20, 30, or 50 liters. Buy in bulk and save big, especially if you're friends with a brewer. Toss the keg in a Rubbermaid container with ice and you're ready to be the center of attention at any large gathering or tailgate party. You might remember using those awful party pumps back in college. They would spoil the beer with oxygen and give you nothing but foam. The Sanke Tap Kit solves all that. Shaking up a big keg of beer in the back of a truck is just like shaking a can of pop. You're going to have an issue with foam, but a quick tug on the pressure release valve and it's problem solved. We also include a flow control connector that makes it simple for anyone to dial in a perfect pour with ease. Use the compact picnic tap or the fancy Pluto gun. Feels great in your hand and gives you a perfect head every time. Or, if you'd rather pour from a faucet, pick up our Sanke Tap FC upgrade. You can serve several 50-liter kegs from a single SodaStream canister. These are super popular and can be purchased anywhere. We even include a check valve to protect your regulator. The professional-grade stainless steel coupler lets you connect quickly. Just twist it on the keg and engage. To make it even easier, we added these special ball lock posts so you can set up and tear down as fast as possible. Now here's the fun part. You can use this same kit to fill pop bottles or mini kegs at home from a 50-liter keg without needing a kegerator. Store the keg in your basement and just put the kegs or bottles you want to drink in the fridge upstairs. Oxygen never comes in contact with a beer when you use our direct fill upgrade kit. And you now have a way to keep a steady supply of beer that will fit in your fridge. Just keep rotating the cold one to the front. You could even split the cost of a keg with a buddy and have an easy way to share it. But it doesn't stop there. When you decide to get a dedicated fridge for your keg, you can keep using the same kit inside the fridge. Eventually you'll get tired of opening the door. Just drill a 1-inch hole through the side and you're only one shank away from using the same gear to finally have a proper kegerator. Since you have all of that, you might as well daisy chain it into a mini keg so you always have beer ready to take to the cabin or as a backup when you drain the big keg.